All right, got this the first week I ordered it. Same week I ordered it. Sunday, came Monday. In here is two amazing packages, or two amazing things of product. I have my dear friend Scuba Steve in the background, just chilling, witnessing the unboxing. First, we got the receipt, whatever. Two cardboard boxes, ladies and gentlemen. Two cardboard boxes, no revenge bag.
What's in the box?
What's in the box, man? And okay, come on, let me get the box open. Let's go. It's in plastic. Oh,
What is it?
it's a. What is it?
It's a little grinder.
It's a grinder.
That's beautiful.
Look at this bad boy. It's a
Ooh, he's picking up in the box. From the bag.
amazing grinder here. Oh my gosh, ladies and gentlemen.
Look at that thing.
I'm gonna check out
Good
this.
material too.
Actually, I'm gonna leave this one in here.
Ooh,
This one's for someone else.
It's very beautiful.
Thank you for watching.